Light. Nature gives us enormity, grandeur, and beauty. Large-scale natural light that inspires us and challenges our emotions. The closest we have come to encapsulating the majesty of light and color, some say, is neon, a chemical element. Neon to science is the second noble gas in the periodic table. But to most of us, neon is that combination of gas and electricity that glows like no other light source. Until now. NeoVision Mini is a 24-volt miniature LED nonlinear flexible tape. NeoVision Mini is so small it measures only 8 mm tall by 4 mm wide. NeoVision Mini is UV resistant, IP65 wet location, making it suitable for outdoor mounting. At only 2 watts per foot and available in 2700K, 3000K, or 4000K at 90+ CRI and in red, orange, amber, green, and blue. NeoVision Mini has a 50,000-hour lifespan and comes in 16-foot reels. NeoVision Mini has a maximum run of 16 feet 4 inches. It is UL listed. Inside, NeoVision Mini can turn basements into clubs and kitchens into something else. NeoVision Mini is perfect for residential, hospitality, and corporate applications. And, being 24-volt, NeoVision can be controlled using line drive dimmable power supplies and any one of many wall dimmers that are conveniently available, including our popular handheld app, Lux Control. So, there you have it, NeoVision Mini by GM Lighting. All of the power and color of neon in a small, flexible strip. Just think of the possibilities. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our videos.